Okay, GFuel review time. Today we got ourselves Starfruit. This is the flavor for Noisy Butters. I never actually watch Noisy Butters. I've heard of her, but I don't actually watch her streams. I think she's like some Call of Duty streamer for my mask. I think she's sort of like a Call of Duty streamer for Atlanta FaZe. That's what I heard. I don't usually watch Noisy Butters content, but we got the flavor over here. Starfruit. This is her flavor inspired. And I'm gonna go get myself some scissors to open this thing up. And as you can tell, I am in my garage because I'm in the process of leaving Debbie Wasserman Schultz and Ted Deutsch's districts over for Matt Gates's, or Matt Gates' district in Navarre. And we got ourselves the Starfruit tub. Got the nice little sticker over here. The receipt, throw that away. Glad I'm right next to a trash can. I can actually throw stuff away now. And here's the tub. Inspired by Butters. This is Starfruit. Love the design of the tub. It almost looks a little bit like the pineapple tub, the Battle Juice, I believe it was. That's a FaZe Clan flavor. She's also part of FaZe. She's part of Atlanta FaZe. I think she's a Call of Duty streamer. I don't really know too much about her because I don't normally watch her streams or watch her content and all. But here it is. The tub. Starfruit. We're gonna go and peel this thing off right here. If I know where the peeler is. Yep, there it is. There we go. And we're gonna open this up. And we got ourselves a white powder. Smells really... Wait. I don't smell anything. Hold on. Probably because I'm in the garage or something, but I don't really smell anything. It smells really faint. I don't really smell anything. It's really faint. I'm not smelling a single thing in the powder. That might change once we take the scooper out. Got all the powder out. Nope. Not a single thing. Don't smell anything. Nope. Well, I smell a little bit of something, but it's really hard to tell. Put the scoop over here. Got myself the shaker. This time I didn't get the collector's box, as you could tell. They sold out of the collector's box. They sold out really fast, the collector's box. Got myself water over here, and that's the Robo Vacuum, guys. Alright? You can ignore it. Disregard. But we got ourselves the water, got the shaker cup, didn't get the collector's box because they sold out. But we're still gonna use a clear shaker to see the color of this flavor. Gonna make sure this is exactly at 500 milliliters by pouring in the water. Careful, make sure this doesn't spill. Got the FaZe Clan shaker right over here. Got the scooper ready. And as always, okay, now I'm starting to smell some Starfruit. Take this thing off, throw it away. One scoop, everyone knows the rules. Get one scoop right here. Making sure this is exactly one scoop. Yep, right over here, guys. This is one scoop. Over here. Put it in. And it's starting to turn a yellowish color. I never actually had Starfruit before, but I really would like to try it if I ever get the chance. Make sure all that, make sure it's in there good. And I'm gonna shake this all up, and I'll be right back. All right, GFuel review time. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna give it a little whiff. That's actually pretty good. I have a good feeling about this. It almost smells a little bit like Bahama Mama, Roman Atwood's flavor. Oh, that is good. It looks and smells like lemonade with a hint of orange juice and a hint of Bahama Mama. As you can tell, Bahama Mama's a really good flavor. So I have a feeling I'm probably gonna like this a lot. Anyway, close this up and we're gonna drink. Because one sip, everyone knows the rules. Shout out Dave Portnoy, Barstool Sports. I haven't actually been watching any of his pizza reviews lately. I wonder what I missed. But anyway, let's go give this a go. One sip, everyone knows the rules. Shout out Dave Portnoy, Barstool Sports. Let's do this. This is awesome. This is really good. This is really good. Oh, I never had Starfruit in my life. This is awesome. Wow. I am really impressed on this one. This is really good. The last flavor they had, the moon pie, oh, it was trash. Moon pie was trash. That was their last flavor, and it was just so disgusting. It almost was like I was drinking coffee creamer, basically. It smelled like chocolate milk, and I thought it was gonna be really good, but it tasted like fucking coffee creamer. It was really disgusting. In fact, when I was actually recording a GFuel review on moon pie, and I almost threw up on camera. This is awesome. Wow. What would I rate this flavor? 8.8. This is Starfruit, inspired by Noisy Butters. So this is it. Starfruit GFuel, inspired by Noisy Butters. 8.8. 8.8. That's what I'm gonna rate this flavor. 8.8. Damn, this is really good. One sip, everyone knows the rules. 8.8. Highly recommend Starfruit GFuel. But anyway, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, and if you're new around here, be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. Anyway, I really love doing these GFuel reviews. Really do. The first one was, my first one was Bubblegum, but that was a complete disaster. Sour Fazeberry was pretty decent. Highly edited. Got copyright claimed because I used some Playboy Cardi instrumental that I didn't even realize was in the background. And I did the moon pie, which I almost puked on camera. But this one, this is a really good flavor. This is my second one that is going to be on YouTube and my fourth GFuel review. I'm going to give this an 8.8. Anyway, if you're new around here, subscribe, turn on notifications. Don't forget to like this video up, share this video with all your friends. And until then, take care, talk soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Axiom, signing out. Peace.